Hello everyone, myself Kasthuri, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series, we are going to see about the basics of VMware simulator. So the first topic is basics of VMware. So VMware is a company that provides cloud computing and virtualization technology. Its software allows us to create and manage virtual machines, which are software based emulations of physical computers. So, this allows us to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. So, virtualization concept is nothing but it is a process of creating a virtual version of something such as hardware platforms, storage devices, or network resources. So VMware's core offering is server virtualization, which we can create virtual versions of physical servers allowing multiple operating systems to run on the same hardware. So we're having two types of virtualization here. One is the server virtualization, another one is the desktop virtualization. So next is the VMware products. So VMware offers several products for different use cases. The most commonly used ones are listed here. So first one is the VMware vSphere. So it is a suite of products that provides the foundation for virtualization. It includes ESXi tool. It is mainly used for the virtualization and also for the server hypervisor tool. So it is a virtualization layer that runs directly on physical hardware. Next one is the vCenter server. It is a centralized management platform for managing multiple ESXi's, hosts and virtual machines. So next one is the VMware Workstation. It is a desktop-based virtualization software for running multiple OSs on a single machine. So it is ideal for development and testing environments. Next one is the VMware Fusion. It is similar to VMware Workstation but designed for Mac users to run virtualized Windows or Linux on Mac OS. So VMware vSAN. It is a software defined storage for virtualized environments. So VMware NSX. It is a network virtualization platform that abstracts and manages network services in a virtualized environment. So what are all the key concepts in VMware virtualization are? First one is the virtual machines. So it is a software based emulation of a physical computer. So each VM run its own operating system and applications. So hypervisor. Hypervisor is a software layer that enables virtualization. VMware uses ESXi as its hypervisor. There are two types of hypervisors. First one is the type 1 hypervisor, so runs directly on the hardware. For example, VMware ESXi. Second one is the hosted. It runs on top of an existing operating systems. For example, VMware Workstation. Next definition is host, the physical machine on which the hypervisor and VMs are run. Next one is the guest OS. So the operating systems running inside a virtual machine. Virtual CPU. It is also called vCPU. So the virtualized processor assigned to a VM which is mapped to a physical CPU core. Virtual memory. So memory allocated to a VM. It can be backed by the physical RAM of the host machine. vSphere client is a management interfaces for VMware products like vCenter and ESXi. So how VMware virtualization works are: a host machine with VMware software installed runs multiple virtual machines. Each VM behaves like a physical computer, but it's a software based system running on top of the host hardware. The hypervisor manages the allocation of resources like CPU, memory, storage, and networking to each VM. The main component is vCenter server. So centralized management tool for controlling multiple ESXi hosts and VMs. It provides features like VM migration, vMotion, high availability and distributed resource management. vMotion. It allows live migration of running VMs from one host to another without downtime. So DRS, distributed resource schedule. So it automatically balances workloads across hosts in a cluster. HA, it is high availability. So ensures VM availability in the event of a host failure by automatically restarting VMs on other hosts. So VMware networking and storage. So VMware vSwitch, it provides virtual network switch used to connect VMs to physical networks. So next one is the vSAN, virtual SAN. SAN means storage area network. It is a software defined storage solution that aggregated local storage from ESXi host into a shared resource storage pool. NSX. So VMware's network virtualization platform, which abstracts networking hardware and allows for easier management and automation of network services. So next is the VMware licensing. So VMware products are licensed based on various models such as per processor, per user, or per instance. So VMware offers different levels of features depending on the product edition. Next, we are going to see about the use cases of VMware Simulator. So, data center consolidation, reducing the number of physical servers by virtualization them. Cloud computing. So, VMware products provides a platform for building private and hybrid clouds. Development and testing. Developers can create isolated environments to test software without needing additional hardware. Disaster recovery. So virtualization allows for easier application, replication and recovery of systems in the event of failure. Thank you.